And we are in front of the Hymer Redwood 600 Explorer. This is the actual spec sheet with the final price of 91,000 euros. And it's based on a new Fiat Ducato chassis and the big open sky roof. Well, pop-up roof. And entering inside, we have a nice add-on for the seating with some great coloring from the Fiat Ducato chassis. And we can check the actual wide pop-up roof. Pretty looking great with a lot of space around it. And then on this part we have standard kitchen, 2 burners, 1 sink, and 3 big cabinets, one on top of the other, and fridge of about 100 and something liters. And well, this is great for additional kitchenware. And also, if I manage to find it, this is the actual cabinet for your kitchen. And then we have a small, compact but pretty nice washroom with Bedford cassette toilet, and this material to make it even more light. And on the back we have 4 additional cabinets all around, and this bed that I will be measuring on the outside. On the other part we have the slide out for the actual table, another cabinet, and they kept this part for additional space. Let's go outside and checking out the back side of actual van, so we can measure the actual bedding. It's 1.656, that's pretty nice. And on the widest part we are getting an error. About 1.925, so pretty wide. The gutter space is not the widest, but we are measuring approximately 0.9, and on this part 1.3. Well, you get the looks with the Hymer and the quality too. There you have it, the Hymer Redwood 600